8 positive affirmations for success. 1. I am a very special soul in this world with my beautiful and unique specialities. I perform each action in this higher consciousness and experience success. 2. I am full of the treasures of peace, love, and joy. I radiate the energy of these virtues to every word and action of mine and create miracles of success in every sphere of life. 3. I am God's 1 in a million child. His eyes are always on me and He helps me and protects me every moment. I bring this confidence in every action and interaction. This confidence is my key to success. 4. I am an angel of wisdom, blessed with a divine mind and intellect. I bring wisdom in my life and make my life beautiful and valuable. I respect others and receive everyone's respect. 5. I am a being of purity and power with a vibrant aura of positivity. I step into the sphere of action every day with this aura. This creates good health, abundant wealth, and beautiful relationships in my life. 6. I am a soul with a balance of love and law in my personality. I love everyone, and at the same time, I listen to God and take all my decisions wisely based on the law of karma. This attracts success in my life. 7. I am a reservoir of goodness and sweetness. I gift myself and each and every one I meet every day with this goodness. In return, I receive blessings of success from myself, God, and others. 8. I am a humble soul with a high self-esteem. I always keep my consciousness powerful and at the same time light. I know God is guiding my every action and I am just His instrument.